Okay, hello dear children. In my previous lecture, we had just stopped at the place when grandfather was in the railway station with Toto, who was packed inside a canvas bag, and people were observing funny things happening inside the bag because Toto was moving and jumping and trying to roll down on the floor. Okay, now let's see what happens here. So, as the crowd was attracted and people were looking at the bag and the things happening on the railway platform. Okay, Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur. Okay, when till the time Saharanpur was on the way, means when grandfather reached Saharanpur, till that time Toto was properly inside the bag. But what happened next? But while grandfather was producing his ticket at railway turnstile. Okay, railway turnstile, what do you understand by the word turnstile? The mechanical gate inside a railway station. Okay, that is known as turnstile, wherein the ticket checker checks the ticket. Okay, Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag. Poked. Okay, what happened here? Toto moved out, so his head was visible. Okay, and suddenly what happened? And gave the ticket collector a wide grin. It means the ticket collector was in confusion that what is there inside that bag. Okay, so the ticket collector was in confusion that something is wrong with that bag because suddenly small little Toto has just poked his head out. Means he had moved his head out of the bag. What happens next? Let's see. The poor man was taken aback, but with great presence of mind and much to grandfather's annoyance, he said, "So you have a dog with you, you'll have to pay for it accordingly." Now, here, the ticket collector thought that there is a small little pet dog inside that canvas bag. How funny! Because it was not dog, it was Toto the monkey. Okay, now that ticket collector is asking for penalty, means charges of keeping a animal while traveling. Okay, keeping an animal while traveling. So what did this particular man, means grandfather, uh, decided? How will he deal with that ticket collector? Okay, so what happens next? Let's see. In vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to provide that a monkey did not qualify as a dog, or even as quadruped. Toto was classified a dog by the ticket collector. Okay, and 3 rupees was the sum handed over as his fare. Okay, this is also very funny part of the story. Okay, this particular paragraph has a very intense meaning. Now you need to just listen carefully. What has happened here? The ticket collector wants fare of a dog, but Toto was not a dog. But the ticket collector will take extra charges if he will feel that the animal who is inside the bag is not a dog but a monkey. So grandfather will have to pay additional amount, extra money. Okay, so grandfather did not try to just convince that ticket collector that it's not dog but it's a monkey, like that. He just lied and he just handed over only sum of 3 rupees. Okay, which was payable to the ticket collector. Okay, and he just kept that ticket collector in confusion. He just left that ticket collector in confusion and he just paid the fare of only 3 rupees, which is payable for a dog. Okay, then grandfather just get his own back, took from his pocket out our pet tortoise and said, what must I pay for this since you charge for all animals? Okay, now he took from his pocket his pet tortoise. So he was also carrying his pet tortoise. Maybe grandfather had a habit of carrying his pet tortoise because it's quite lucky to keep tortoise with you. Tortoise, you know what is tortoise? कछुआ जिसे बोलते हैं. So he asked that ticket collector that how much money should I pay for my tortoise also? What must I pay for this? Since you charge for all animals. So as you're charging for almost animals, what should I pay for my tortoise also? Okay. Now here let's see what does the ticket checker replies on it. The ticket collector looked closely at the tortoise, prodded it with his forefinger, gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant look and said, "No charge, it is not a dog." Okay, this is how the ticket collector replies to grandfather. Okay, what do you under? Let's see the meanings of the words here. Okay, prodded means poked through finger अपनी उंगलियों से चेक किया सच में ये जिंदा है क्या. Okay, is it an animal or something like that? Okay, now he checked it, then he found that it's a tortoise. Then he then what did he reply? Gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant look. Pleased and triumphant means, pleased means a happy look, ट्रायम्फेंट मीन्स फुल ऑफ विक्ट्री. फुल ऑफ विक्ट्री मतलब जैसे कुछ जीत लिया उसने. ओके, सो triumphant for this line means a pleased look, means happy look. Okay, and said, "No charges, it is not a dog." As the tortoise is not a dog, in fact the Toto was also not a dog, but the ticket collector did not observe Toto properly and he thought that it's a dog. That is why he's saying that no charges, as the tortoise is not a dog. You will not have to pay for it. Okay, now we have done with 2 pages of this lesson, and let's uh, continue with the remaining part of the lesson in my next lecture. Okay, thank you so much. Take care.